Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make AI horror stories for TikTok. So a link mentioned in the description. So you need to click on that and come on to that website. So once you come on to that website, you need to create an account and click on series. So once you click here, you need to pick a destination. You can connect your social media account like your TikTok or your face or your YouTube channel as well. Here you can see choose the content type. So I want to create scary stories. So because we are going to create horror stories, so that is scary stories, you select the narration type so you can listen. Okay, it is good. Background music, if you want, you can add that. You can select the language. So I want in English. Aspect ratio, we are going to use that for TikTok. So 9:16. Okay, and you can select the post time as well so that it will be posted automatically. So we are going to create series. Okay, wait for a few seconds. So it is generating video for us. That is totally with the help of AI. You not need to do anything. So you need to wait for a few seconds and the video will be ready. And that video is amazing. That tool is very best if you want to grow your TikTok account with the help of only AI videos. That it will give you voiceover, it will give you pictures, videos, everything. You not need to do anything for that tool because this is the latest tool in the market and it is one of the best tool that I try so far. So you need to use that tool. A link is mentioned in the description. So you need to click on that and you can use that tool to create your videos in few minutes and it will automatically post that onto your TikTok if you connect your TikTok account with that. You need to wait so that it will generate a amazing video for us. Here you can see that it will give you the title, the description and the complete. You can see that the script and you can change the volume and this is the video. You can play that video as well to see. So this is the video. You simply need to download or you can publish directly onto your, you can select the destination, connect social media account. So I want to post onto the TikTok. You need to connect your TikTok and it will be post automatically. So you simply need to upgrade to the pro plan of the AI reel generator. So you simply need to click here. So here you can see that it have a free plan. In this free plan I can generate only one AI video, but it have a watermark and you cannot create long videos. But let's suppose you want to start your faceless TikTok account. So you simply need to build yearly and it will cost you only $190 per year and it will generate AI videos, edit and preview video. You can do that, high HD video resolution and it will post automatically. But if you want for the long videos, you can select that plan as well. So you simply need to click on upgrade, fill out your details, your card details and complete your purchase, and after that it will automatically post onto your TikTok account if you upgrade and select yours and link your TikTok account with AI reel generator. So link mentioned in the description to try this tool. So this is the process how you can make AI horror stories for TikTok. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.